Gonna do another graft just like this on this next trunk. And I'm gonna do it right here, right where there's a cinder node. The Z Nectaplum. Oba. Graft. All right. Oh, I get to pull out my crafting knife. Yeah. Now what? I bought with my own money. Ma. It's got a little hook on it. Why did that just turn on me? It's got a little hook on it. Giving it a sharp edge. All right. Give it some gel. Ah, come on, baby. There you go. Stone's gambling hall. Gotta love the bottle. Alright, gel and the money. Giving it a nice little rub, coating it down, covering all the fresh stuff. And then I'm putting a cut. I want to film this closer. Ah, fuck, ja. All right. And I'm gonna use this blade. Cut into it. Oh fuck, fudge. Wrong side. I don't want too much into it. You see the little circle? I'm gonna try to hit the outside of it. Not damage too much. Fuck. Alright, here we go. You saw what I was trying to do. Fudge. Sorry, the cameramen are coming. Opa. Oh, all that in. You see how it's perfectly aligned? That's the graft. Joined together as one. Unite! I'm gonna use the soft graft and then the harder stuff. Cause I'm professional. And then because I'm a professional, I cut stuff off the sides, not get in my way. Save the energy. Towards the graft. Bam! And I'm put wax on all the fresh wounds. And I got all this to graft now. Whatever this stone fruit is, peach, but it's from seed. What I'm grafting onto it is from a store that used a seed root like this and grafted on something very special, a nectar plum. A little tough to digest and understand what's going on, but it's very special. And now I'm grafting from a graft to another seed root. That is a graft. Covering up with this grafting tape the wounds that I can. I won't have to put grafting tape on them. Keeping everything nicely hydrated. Make sure that vine graft stays alive. Wax on the top. I don't have to, but that top will die off till about an inch. Or possibly the whole damn thing. If I don't cover wax and let it stop drying off, killing itself. Woo! Imagine cannabis wax. It doesn't matter what kind of wax, but yeah, don't smoke this wax. Kapit! Ooh, you want sticky gloves for this. Or stick-proof gloves. I'm sure this wax is reusable. Wax is wax. As long as you don't smoke it. Don't get high off your own supply. Not good. Speaking from experience. Unless you got no buyers. And smoke all you want. Your own supply. Alright. Perfect. Y'all watching how I was grafting? Alright. The masterpiece. I still got this little tab here. Boop, pull it off. One graft, two graft, and I go for the three. Right here. I'm gonna hit this next. Thank you for watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the grafting, how to graft techniques.